Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. I am Claire Navarro. I am 29 years old from Cebu, Philippines. I am single with live-in partner. I have 3 children, ages 7, 6, and 1 year and 8 months. I am college level, first year in information technology. I work as helper in Saudi Arabia for 2 years, from April 2021 to April 2023. I serve 7 members of the family, 4 adults, 1 elderly, age 85 years old, and 2 kids, age 4 and 1 years old. I work also as a local housemaid here in Manila, Philippines for 3 years, from 2013 to 2015 with a Chinese employer. I serve 5 members of the family, 2 adults and 3 young adults, ages 13, 15, and 17 years old. I know how to clean the house, do the laundry and ironing clothes. I know how to take care of baby and children. I know how to cook Filipino food such as chicken adobo, chicken tinola, apretada, and vegetable soup. And I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food. I am ready to work abroad and committed to finish my 2 years contract. To all my prospective employers in Hong Kong, please choose me as your domestic helper. I will do my best to serve and love your family as my own. I am very hardworking, trustworthy, honest, and I can work multitasking without supervision. Thank you and God bless.